Hey guys, loading your kayak to your van, in this case a Sprinter van, can be a real hassle. So today I'm going to try to build my own kayak loader. Let's see how it goes. This is what I think I'll need for the project. It's a metal bar, some foam, 2 straps, a jigsaw with a metal blade, a power drill with a metal drill, 2 metal plates and some nuts and bolts. This is what it looks like an hour later. The metal bar is 2 meters long. This metal bracket is mounted underneath the bar, and this one is mounted on top of the bar. 2 straps that I will use to attach it to the roof rack. And this is the foam roll covering the metal bar. This is what it looks like now that it's mounted to the roof. This metal bracket just slides in under the roof rack. This is the metal bar. It's mounted on the downside of this metal bar. The strap holding in place. This metal bracket is mounted to the top side of the metal bar and then just laid over the roof rack. Strap holding it in place. Decided to tape this foam to keep it in place and also make the kayak slide a bit easier. Haven't decided on the length of this arm yet. I'll keep it long for now. There you go, about an hour's work and about 20 bucks in material costs. Super handy when you want to load your kayak to your car, and especially if you have a van like this one. Thanks.